Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and this is the Frontrunner Slim Sport platform. It's an ultra low profile platform that pretty much hugs your roof lining. One of the key differences on the Frontrunner Slim Sport and how they managed to get it to sit so low is the way it mounts to the mounting rail that runs front to back on the car. Is traditionally platforms will sit on top of that mounting rail, but what Frontrunner has done is they've actually mounted it directly into the side without sacrificing any of the load capacity. Another thing I love about the Slim Sport is the fact that you can mount all of these accessories that you see up here with nothing more than an M8 bolt that you can find literally anywhere, any hardware store, because there's nothing worse than something breaking or coming loose and you need some sort of proprietary mounting system to fix it. Just go to a local hardware store, grab an M8 bolt, turn that sucker over, and it mounts directly into these opening channels through the head of the bolt. Such a fantastic and such a simple design. I absolutely love it. A couple of the technical specs is each of the slats are made from a high strength T6 aluminium, and the wind fairing and the side rails are made from high strength steel, which has been powder coated to avoid corrosion and rust. So the whole thing is super strong and super tough. Every Slim Sport platform comes with the full face wind fairing, but they also do this open cut wind fairing design if you want to fit a light bar, because Frontrunner actually make a super slim light bar that fits in absolutely perfectly in that space, keeping that real nice, tidy, low profile look. But as you can see on my D-Max here, you can mount whatever light bar you want, because again, that M8 bolt system. I've just turned an M8 bolt upside down and I was able to mount my steady light bar, no problems. Because of how Frontrunner have designed the Slim Sport, where the slats mount into the foot rail, they are all vehicle specific, but they do have a huge list of vehicle fits for the Slim Sport, and that list is constantly growing. So if you are looking for one for your car, jump on Roof Racks Galore's website, put in your vehicle details, and you'll easily find a Frontrunner platform that'll fit your car. And that is the Frontrunner Slim Sport platform.